Hey guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a Temu haul dedicated to makeup organization and storage. So I'm going to be unboxing and testing Temu products to see what's worth it, really. I mean, everyone's been talking about Temu. And first of all, let me just say that organization is my top New Year's resolution for this year. I feel like I'm constantly flying by the seat of my pants, and my studio is a direct reflection of that. Like, it looks like a bomb went off in here. So I'm excited to actually tackle this task because I've been building this up in my head as something that's so overwhelming that I just keep putting it off. And it's just making my life so frantic for literally no reason. But if you know me, you know that I'm not a spender. I love saving money. I'm not into name brands. Anything that's overly expensive just is not for me. Mainly because I know that a lot of these things are made in the same places, so I just can't justify the cost markup. And that's exactly why I'm excited to have Temu as a sponsor for today's video. A little bit about Temu, just in case you haven't shopped with them before. All of the shipping is free. They also have free returns within 90 days. They also do price adjustments within 30 days. So say you bought something a week ago and then you go on the website and see that it's discounted, you'll be able to get a partial refund for that amount. And I love that they do that because this actually happened to me during Christmas with a sweater that I got for Ruben. This was obviously on another website, but I bought him this sweater and then literally like 2 or 3 days later, I saw that they were having a 25% off sale off everything on the website. And I was just like, okay. Like, I didn't try emailing them or anything to see if they could discount it, but I was just like, really? But anyway, I've never actually shopped on this website before, so I was really surprised at just how affordable everything was. Like, how are they actually making any money kind of affordable? I was just like, it wasn't computing. But it does make sense when you think about it because they work on a direct-to-consumer model, so there is no middleman and we benefit from the low pricing. You can download the Temu app by visiting the link in my description. New app users can get my products for $0 using this code right here. Even if you're not a new app user, I have a discount for you. So you can type in this code in the app and you're gonna get a $100 coupon bundle. And obviously you can also go to the link in my description and that'll take you right there if you don't wanna deal with the whole code situation. All right, and let's finally get into this haul. I'm really excited to try these products. Okay, I am so excited about this product. It reminded me so much of the Jetsons. If you guys are old enough to know who the Jetsons are. Very futuristic looking, I love it. This is the large capacity cosmetic storage box. This has so much storage and it's actually bigger than I thought it was. I was pretty nervous that this was gonna be tiny. All of the products will be linked separately in the description, but I'll also post that main link where you can go to see all of them listed. But yeah, if you're looking for one specific product, I'll have them all individually laid out. Next up, we have the Countertop makeup and jewelry holder. This has a polished finish to it and it's also rust resistant, which is really interesting. Next up, we have the stackable makeup organizer and storage drawers. These are really convenient. I love the acrylic. These are also great size. You can fit so much in here. My skincare products like serums would be perfect for this. This is the cutest plush makeup bag that you've ever seen. It's so soft and cozy. This is perfect to store your makeup in for travel. I also feel like this would be a really cute clutch. Is that just me? This is a rotating makeup brush holder. I love the classic white, and then it has 3 separate compartments. Next up, I got a ton of acrylic makeup organizers. If you guys don't have these, you need them. I have ones in my drawer that are so busted, so I needed a refresh. This is what they look like out of the packaging. So they're that nice clear acrylic, and they come in different sizing so you can really customize. But yeah, I got a ton of these because you can never have too much. Next up, we have a USB powered makeup brush cleaner. I like that the instructions are super easy for this. So you just fill it up to the max line here with water, then you grab the top and then you put the brushes in here. And these are obviously pliable, so even if you want to fit a brush in this little hole here, you literally just pop it in. So you put a little soap in there, I put the brushes in, and then you hit turn on button. Ooh. I wonder if you guys can see this working on camera because this does have a tint to it. But yeah, this water is dirty, so this worked really well. I got a clear makeup organizing bag, so this is waterproof. This is great for when you're traveling. You can put all of your skincare products in here so that nothing leaks out into your bag. This is a silicone makeup sponge holder. So you just put your makeup sponge right in there. I thought this was such a clever idea. And it has the vent so it lets it air out, doesn't get moldy. A lipstick holder. I visualized putting lip glosses in here. This is another product that reminded me of the Jetsons. I thought this was so cool. This is a 360 rotating makeup brush storage tube. I've honestly never seen anything like this. This is just so neat. I'm really excited for this one. This is a travel makeup bag with an LED lighted mirror. This has adjustable dividers so you can really customize it. You have a spot for your brushes. It also has an attachable 10x magnifying mirror, just in case you need to really see into those pores. I got a few packs of glitter rhinestones for your face. These always add a fun detail to your makeup look, and these butterflies are so cute. This is an LED pocket mirror. This is perfect for traveling, you just need to charge it up. Everyone knows hotel lighting is the worst. This is a 55-piece face and eye makeup brush set. This thing is huge. It also has a wash bag in it. There's 30 brushes, hair ties, wristbands, literally everything that you could possibly need. Alright guys, this is the end of the Temu haul. Let me know what your favorite product was in the comments down below. Also, like I said, I have all the links down below. Make sure to use those codes to get your discount. Those are really good deals. Thank you again to Temu for sponsoring this video. Yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.